First at 6 tonight, the federal trial against 4 former Memphis police officers accused in the beating death of Tyre Nichols will be held in Memphis after a ruling made today. Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Stephanie Skurlock.
And I'm Greg Hurst. That decision comes after several pending motions to move that trial following concerns from others that the 4 men would not be able to get a fair trial here in Shelby County. WREG's Ashley Paul was inside the courtroom.
One by one, Emmett Martin, Tadarius Bean, Justin Smith, and Demetrius Haley leave the Shelby County Federal Courthouse today after learning this is where their September federal trial for civil rights violations in the beating death of Tyre Nichols will take place. Cameras were not allowed in the courtroom, but just moments before, U.S. District Court Judge Mark Norris denied motions to either select a jury from other parts of the state or to just move the trial to another part of the state entirely. Attorneys for the 4 officers argued intense coverage of the case, including publicly released video of the beating, would make it difficult to find an unbiased jury. It was back in January of last year that the 4 defendants, along with a 5th former officer, Desmond Mills, were caught on video pepper spraying and beating Nichols following a traffic stop down the street from Nichols' mother's house. Nichols died in the hospital 3 days later, and the manner of death was ruled a homicide. Mills pleaded guilty to the federal charges last year as a part of a plea deal in exchange for his full cooperation in the federal and state trials. In response to the defense's concerns about jury bias, Judge Norris replied, quote, "The fact that there's a lot of coverage doesn't mean there's prejudice," end quote. But he explains if there is evidence of bias found in the potential juror questionnaires, the defense can file another change of venue motion. The 4 former officers could face a life sentence in federal prison if found guilty. The trial is scheduled to begin on September 9th. I'm Ashley Paul, WREG News Channel 3.
A story we will continue to follow.